All right, folks. Tonight we've got we're returning to the new G3, hopefully, and I'm going to go over all the reasons I switched to the Blue Studio for almost a week and a half, almost 2 weeks, and it's been hell on earth. Trust me. But it really did put everything in perspective, and I was going to run this test. Just not for this extended period of time, and not due to the reasons that I failed to mention earlier. So a little confession going to go on here. Let's just say the new had a minor issue that needed some repairs, so I sent it back and got it back today finally. And although I'm shooting this in advance, once I put them together, this will be today. Magic of editing. I'll go over all that after the intro and explain everything to you and the reasons I didn't originally tell you why I was spending so much time using the Blue Studio, pulling my hair out and banging my head against the wall. Let's do that intro right now. Uh-oh, what do we got here, folks? Federal Express. Oh, I guess we'll get around to opening that in just a minute. But first, the rest of my explanation about sending out the Blue Studio. Okay, folks, I'm back here to explain all about the new Mobile G3 and me sending it in for some repairs. I didn't want to scare anyone off of these phones because they're very good phones by saying I had a bad USB-C port over here. I could move that left or right or up or down, and it would cut in, cut out, and I eventually reached a conclusion, well, there's going to be a point when I can't charge it, and then it becomes 100% useless. So I sent it in. They repaired it. The big holdup, by the way, was our fine United States Postal Service, which took 7 days to deliver a priority mail package. I contacted New yesterday, making sure they had the product, and they said, yep, it's being repaired, should go out today. I walk up to the apartment today, and there's a FedEx Express. The reason FedEx and UPS actually make money and the Postal Service doesn't, they care about what they're doing. So, not to get off the subject, it did have a bad USB port, but as an electronics technician since I was 18, and I'm 60 now, let's face it, you're going to have single points of failure on everything at some time. It can happen to anything. Now, I know I didn't cause this. I just didn't notice it right away. It was one of those things that probably came as a factory defect. It was when I started having trouble with the microphone and the camera, because the camera app on this is still horrible, hence the reason I shoot on open camera. But that'll be cured, in upcoming releases. Hopefully we'll get maybe Android 8.1, or maybe I'll get the G4. Maybe I can talk the folks at New into sending me one to test. I just didn't want to give them a bad name over one single failure that I knew was a single defect, and as they say, shit happens. So I sent it in, they repaired it, I got it back, I checked it out, I uploaded most of my software. I'm going to see if I can unlock it here, and there it goes. I got all the stuff I really need. Haven't got some decent wallpapers on it yet. Got the bright shiny wallpapers. Reversed my navigation buttons to match with the Blue Studio here, because I'm used to that. And that's about all I have, except for they did send along, I thought this was pretty nice of them, this Mint Mobile starter kit. Woohoo! Papa didn't lock it. I don't know how many months it's good for, but even if it was 1 month, yay! So I can't use that. That uses the T-Mobile network, which I'm not on. Now, if you can contact T-Mobile, I mean, if you're within their realm of, reach, you might want this. So we're going to do some kind of a giveaway on that in celebration of getting my new mobile G3 back. I'd love to have more cell phones to test. Until I get more subscribers, that's just not going to happen. So as usual, I'm going to say, check out that little thing you see coming up here, and it'll say subscribe, and it'll show you a little bell, and give us a thumbs up, give us feedback. That's very important. And share this video everywhere you can. Instagram, Snapchat, I don't care if you share it to, grandma's kitchen. Share it. We need more subscribers, then we get more stuff to test, and then I have extra phones that are a whole lot better than a 2015 Blue Studio, which is now technically out of my life, except for the fact we're filming this on the Blue Studio. One last recording. I don't know when I'll get this done, because I'm actually going to process this in Linux later today. I'll catch you then. Might be late, might not come up till the morning. We'll see. Have a great night, folks, and thank you for watching. And that is all I have.